Hello world! Today I will share with you step-by-step guide to have a happy and enjoyable travel. Choose your destination, decide where you want to go, and research the location. Set a budget. Determine how much you are willing to spend on your trip. Select travel dates. Pick your preferred day. Consider factors like weather, holidays, and personal schedules. Book your flights and accommodations. Search for and book your flights and accommodations well in advance for the best deals. Create an itinerary. Plan your daily activities. It includes sightseeing, dining, and any tours or excursions. Check your passport and visa requirements. Make sure that your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your return date. Consider vaccination and health precautions. Consult with a doctor or travel clinic to determine if you need vaccinations or medications for your trip. Consider purchasing travel insurance. It will help you cover unexpected events like trip cancellations or medical emergencies that you may experience during your travel. Pack smart. Make a packing list. Gather essential items like clothing, toiletries, and travel documents. Notify your bank of your travel plans. Exchange currency if needed. And bring a mix of payment options like credit card and cash. Organize your travel documents like passport, visa ID, and any necessary reservations in a travel wallet or folder. Pack your devices like mobile phone, charger, and camera. Secure your home. Set timer for lights. Inform a trusted neighbor or friend for your travel plan. Make a list of emergency contacts, including family, friends, and local contacts at your destination. Download relevant travel apps, offline maps, and navigation tools for your smartphone. Plan how you'll get to the airport. And consider airport parking or transportation options. If possible, check in for your flight online to save time at the airport. Attach clear and durable luggage tags with your contact information to your bags. Bring snack, a good book, or entertainment for the journey. Wear comfortable clothes and shoes to make your travel more enjoyable. Arrange for transportation from the airport to your hotel accommodation at your destination. Be aware of local safety guidelines and emergency procedures at your destination. Finally, relax and enjoy your travel, making happy memories along the way. Remember that preparation is the key to a successful trip, so start early and stay organized. Safe travels!
Thank you, my future shines so bright.